Get it out. Get it out of my head. This is not silence. This is pressure.
Walls keep breathing when I close my eyes. Every thought feels sharp, feels weaponized. I bite my tongue just to feel control, but the noise keeps digging through my soul. They sell the cure with a poison smile, say stay calm while they stack the pile. I'm not broken, I'm overloaded. Too many lies, and they all exploded. I try to stay clean, I try to behave, but you keep pushing until something breaks. I got skin in the noise, I can shut it out. Every scheme in my head wants to tear me down. You don't hear what I hear when the world destroys. I'm alive in the bed. I got skin in the noise, skin in the noise. Feel it crawl in my bones. Skin in the noise. This is how I survive alone. Smile stitched tight, but it's counterfeit. Everybody fake, everybody lit. Please forgiveness with a loaded hand. Draw the line, then they move the sand. I don't trust peace when it's dressed in chains. I don't need counsel to fear and shame. If this is normal, I don't belong. I speak in riffs, I think it wrong. You want control, I want the truth. I'd rather bleed than turning to you. I got skin in the noise, I can shut it out. Every scream in my head wants to tear me down. You don't hear what I hear when the world destroys. I'm alive in the pain. I got skin in the noise, skin in the noise. Feel it crawl in my bones. Skin in the noise. This chaos feels like cut it, shut it down. I don't need saving, I need release. You call it madness, I call it me. No peace, no peace in a world that feeds on teeth.